no bounds. Picture sparkling coastlines, streets lined with supercars, and a harbor filled with magnificent yachts. That's Monaco. This tiny principality, nestled on the French Riviera, is smaller than New York City's Central Park. Don't let its size fool you, though. Monaco packs more wealth, glamour, and excitement per square foot than almost anywhere else on Earth. Get ready to explore a world of extravagance. We'll dive into Monaco's history, uncover the secrets behind its wealth, and experience the luxurious lifestyle it offers. From the iconic Monte Carlo Casino to the adrenaline-pumping Grand Prix, Monaco promises an unforgettable journey into a realm of opulence and splendor. Let's begin, shall we? Monaco's story is a fascinating tale of resilience and reinvention. This sliver of land on the Mediterranean coast boasts a history stretching back to ancient times. Originally inhabited by the Ligurians, Monaco witnessed Roman and later Genoese rule. The Grimaldi family, originating from Genoa, took control in the 13th century. They established Monaco as an independent principality, a legacy that continues to this day. However, for centuries, Monaco remained a relatively modest fishing village, far from the opulent haven it is today. The turning point arrived in the 19th century with the establishment of the Monte Carlo Casino. This stroke of genius transformed Monaco's destiny. The allure of gambling attracted the wealthy and elite from across Europe and beyond, laying the foundation for Monaco's future prosperity. The rest, as they say, is history. No landmark embodies Monaco's glitz and glamour more than the legendary Monte Carlo Casino. This architectural masterpiece, with its Belle Epoque facade and lavish interiors, is a playground for the rich and famous. It's not just a casino, it's an experience. Step inside, and you'll be transported to a world of high-stakes roulette, sophisticated card games, and the intoxicating thrill of chance. Even if you're not a gambler, the casino's opulent ambiance, dripping with chandeliers and gilded decor, is a sight to behold. But the Monte Carlo Casino is more than just gambling. It's a cultural hub, hosting world-class performances, ballet and opera. It's also the backdrop for countless films and novels, cementing its status as an icon of luxury and entertainment. Beyond the casino, Monaco's streets pulsate with a tangible aura of wealth. Supercars roar down the winding roads, their sleek lines a blur of speed and sophistication. Ferraris, Lamborghinis, and Bugattis are practically commonplace here, their presence a constant reminder of Monaco's affluent residents and visitors. The harbor, too, tells a story of extravagance. It's a dazzling display of luxury yachts, their masts piercing the sky like shimmering needles. These floating palaces, owned by billionaires and celebrities, are a testament to the extraordinary wealth drawn to Monaco's shores. But the true luxury of Monaco extends beyond material possessions. It's the lifestyle. It's the ability to dine at Michelin-starred restaurants, indulge in designer shopping sprees, and enjoy the finest things in life. In Monaco, luxury isn't just an aspiration, it's a way of life. More than meets the eye beyond the glitz and glamour. While Monaco may be synonymous with opulence, it's also a place of surprising diversity and charm. Wander beyond the casinos and luxury boutiques, and you'll discover a quieter side to this captivating principality. Stroll through the charming old town, with its narrow cobblestone streets and colorful houses adorned with flower boxes. Explore the serene Japanese garden, a tranquil oasis of peace and serenity amidst the bustling city. And don't miss the Oceanographic Museum, a treasure trove of marine life perched dramatically on a cliff overlooking the sea. Monaco also boasts a vibrant arts and culture scene. From world-class museums and art galleries to live music venues and theaters, there's something to satisfy every cultural craving. And with its year-round sunshine, stunning beaches, and crystal-clear waters, Monaco offers the perfect blend of excitement and relaxation. The roaring engines of fortune, the Monaco Grand Prix. Every year, the streets of Monaco come alive with the roar of engines and the scent of burning rubber. The Monaco Grand Prix, one of the most prestigious events in motorsport, transforms this tiny principality into a high-octane spectacle. The race itself is a test of skill and nerves, as drivers navigate the challenging street circuit, weaving through tunnels, hugging hairpin bends and pushing their cars to the limit. The atmosphere is electric. with fans from around the world flocking to witness this iconic race. But the Grand Prix is more than just a race. It's a week-long extravaganza. Yachts transform into lavish party venues, champagne flows freely, and celebrities rub shoulders with racing legends. It's a dazzling display of wealth, glamour, and the thrill of the race, solidifying Monaco's status as a playground for the elite. A haven for the wealthy. Taxes and the appeal of residency. Monaco's status as a tax haven is no secret. The principality's favorable tax policies, including no income tax, have long attracted wealthy individuals and businesses from around the globe. For the ultra-wealthy, obtaining residency in Monaco is a coveted prize. It offers not only financial benefits but also access to an exclusive lifestyle, political stability, and a safe and secure environment. It's no wonder that Monaco boasts one of the highest concentrations of millionaires in the world. However, gaining residency in Monaco is no easy feat. It requires substantial financial investment, a clean criminal record, and proof of accommodation. But for those who meet the criteria, Monaco offers a haven of luxury and privilege. Don't let the image of luxury and exclusivity fool you. Monaco is a city-state that never sleeps. The streets are always buzzing with activity day and night. Whether you're looking for world-class entertainment, fine dining, or simply a chance to soak up the vibrant atmosphere, Monaco has something to offer everyone. The nightlife scene is legendary, with nightclubs, bars, and lounges catering to every taste. Dance the night away to the latest beats, sip cocktails crafted by expert mixologists, or enjoy live music performances. During the day, explore the designer boutiques and luxury stores, offering everything from haute couture fashion to exquisite jewelry and watches. Or simply relax on the beach, soak up the Mediterranean sun, and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of this dynamic city-state. Monaco's culinary scene is as diverse and exciting as the principality itself. From Michelin-starred restaurants helmed by world-renowned chefs to charming cafes serving traditional Monegasque cuisine, there's something to tantalize every palate. Indulge in exquisite seafood fresh from the Mediterranean, savor the flavors of Provençal cuisine, or experience the artistry of molecular gastronomy. Monaco's culinary landscape is a melting pot of flavors, reflecting its cosmopolitan population and international appeal. But don't just limit yourself to fine dining. Explore the local markets, sample street food, and discover hidden culinary gems tucked away in the back streets. A culinary adventure awaits in Monaco, ready to satisfy every craving and leave you wanting more. Despite its image of opulence and extravagance, Monaco is acutely aware of the importance of sustainability. The Principality has implemented numerous initiatives to reduce its environmental impact and promote a greener future. From investing in renewable energy sources to promoting electric vehicles and reducing waste, Monaco is taking significant steps towards a more sustainable way of life. The government has also implemented strict building regulations to ensure new developments are environmentally friendly. Monaco's commitment to sustainability is not just about protecting its environment, it's about preserving its way of life for future generations. The Principality recognizes that true luxury lies in safeguarding the planet for all to enjoy. So what is it about Monaco that continues to captivate the world's imagination? Why does this tiny principality, nestled on the French Riviera, remain such an exclusive and alluring destination? The answer, perhaps, lies in its unique blend of history, glamour, and luxury. Monaco is a place where the past seamlessly blends with the present, where old-world charm meets modern sophistication. It's a place where dreams are made of, where anything seems possible and where luxury knows no bounds. But beyond the glitz and glamour, Monaco offers something more, a sense of exclusivity, a feeling of being part of something truly special. It's a place where you can escape the ordinary, indulge in the extraordinary,